should I? Whoa.
Whoa. Like that. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Where should I hold the camera?
Yeah.
I got that one, yeah.
Where's my camera? Who knows?
Do you have video on your camera?
No. Oh, yeah. I think I do on mine too, but I don't know how to do it.
Come on, let's get one right in front.
Pouring, really. It was pouring so hard, and it was big. It was like big sheets of like rain. Yeah, like, I know. Like that. I could see that. Dad remembers that too. That point. That was pretty cool. This is a big storm.
Yep.
Ooh.
Missed it.
Silva, Silva, should I just put this right in the garage? Is this ready to be put in the garage?
Well, rain's starting to come down now.
Oh, that's good, Dad.
Wow.
That goes right in the garage, Scott. Yeah, but I think this is okay. Woohoo! And everything. Here it is. Here it is.
Ah! The rain's coming down now.